Okay, so this is factoring binomials. Remember, binomials, basically you just got two terms. Okay, these are real easy, all right, because you're only looking for one thing, and if it ain't that, then you're done. Okay, remember, you got two terms. What you're looking for is the difference of squares. Okay, so you got some term minus some other term. Okay, the biggest thing is, you remember, you're looking for squares. Okay, those are perfect squares, like, like 4, 9, 16, those kinds of things, and a squared, b squared, c squared, x squared, y squared, that sort of thing. Okay, and they all factor the same. Okay, basically they'll be in this form, a squared plus b or minus b squared. Okay, so, and they all factor this way. So you say, what's the square root of a squared? A. So you put a here. Okay, what's the square root of b squared? B. So you put it there, you put plus, minus, you're done. Okay, all right, so to give you a little bit of a taste of this, let's say you got something like x squared minus 16. Okay, there's no GCF, so I've got two terms. Is that a perfect square? Yes. Is that a perfect square? Yes. Is that a minus sign in the mirror? Yes. Okay, so we can continue. If that's not the case, you're done. Okay, so I'm going to take and put my parenthesis up. Okay, what's the square root of x squared? X. What's the square root of 16? 4. Plus, minus. We're done. Okay, let's say you got one where you do have, a little bit more. So let's go with 2, and let's go with let's go with c squared, and then we'll go with minus 18. Okay. Well, I've got a GCF, so I'm going to factor that out. So I'm going to factor out 2. That's going to leave me with c squared minus 9. Okay, is that a perfect square? Yes. Is that a perfect square? Yes. So put your parenthesis out. What's the square root of c squared? C. What's the square root of 9? 3. Plus, minus, but don't forget about this 2 that you stuck out there. Okay, so remember, you're just looking, just do the GCF first, see what you got left. If you've got two terms, you're looking for this. Now you'll see something that's kind of similar. Okay, it's called the sum of squares. Okay, all right, you can't do anything with this. Okay, it's prime or non-factorable. Okay, and it's going to look something like this, where you get y squared plus 4. Well, that's a perfect square, that's a perfect square, but this is plus. You can't factor this, okay? So it's prime. You're done. All right, that's all there is to it. Good luck.